we'll continue the topic from basic to advanced level. So I can see the screen. So out of the screen, top you can see the ribbons and bottom I can see the sheet. And here status bar, zoom in, what is the preview, like these are the screen I'll get. And this is a work area, worksheets. So we have worksheets and you can see the data and we'll discuss this. Here you can write up formulas, Excel application, like all other thing you can go for here. Okay, so in left side you can see there's a row number 1, 2, 3 are rows. Yeah, you may get into left side 1, 2, 3. Top you can see the ABC. The ABC are columns. Standing line are columns. Sleeping lines are rows. Yeah. So we open new Excel application. Here I can see row number, column number. Okay. So see if you can use actually arrow button or using mouse you can use for whenever you give enter your control will go to next cell. See my cursor in D column row number 10. In this top left side, you can see this cell address name box it is called. So my cursor where is there? D column row number 10. Suppose if I click on somewhere else, now G column row number 10. It may be 10, 5, 6, any row I can click on. You can see the name box. This is called what is the cell reference. You can reach out G column and row number. Directly you can see in the top left corner. Okay, and I see the keyboard shortcut key. When I give enter key, my cursor will go to next cell. And similarly, shift keep on press enter. What will happen? It will go back, go top again. And similarly, tab, it will go to towards the right side. Wherever cursor is there, same row column will be increased. So now K5, if I press tab key, my cursor will go to MNO like it going and shift and tab it will come back. So my cursor is I5 O5 like I can see G5 my cursor it will show to whereas my cursor is there. Okay, just you can use up arrow down arrow or using mouse you can use for the enter and tab. Enter for going down next cell and tab for it going towards right, and with the shift reverse order it will go for. So yeah, I'll share you some of the shortcut keys in WhatsApp group. Like I'll share today's topic, and after that, after the class, I'll share some of the files. You can practice today, and we'll discuss tomorrow if you have doubts all. Okay. I'll open new Excel. See, I'll zoom it little bit for our understanding. In this particular range, okay, I'll take this C column, row number 3 to 17 I selected. For our reference, I highlighted here. The yellow color border, like you can click on this shortcut key. Border under this drop down, I select all border. My selection range, C column, row number 3 to C17, I selected. Okay. So in this particular range, I'm going to enter some values. Yeah, random values. Today is the basic thing we'll analyze. Okay, if you have any question, you can unmute and speak. We'll discuss here and we'll continue. Okay. See, the some of the scenario I'll tell. If you want to analyze the data, you all become data analyst, data scientist. Later point, you will analyze some real-time data and you will get the result. But today I open the new Excel. Here I'll enter randomly some value 100, 1, 2, 3 or ABC, some text or special character at symbol, hash symbol, at dollar sign, like I'm entering some of the values. And also if I write some special character, all for numeric. So name one, like I go to the same cell corner, I'll get a plus sign. I can drag it. So next number I'll get. Okay, in this data, I enter some special empty cell also. Yes, special character like numbers, like I have a data. In this data, I want to analyze. You all become a data analyst. you can ask many questions. So out of this data and get a result. Then you can analyze the data and you can give the result here. So now in this data, basic question I'll ask for how many are numbers in this particular range. As of now 2. Later I may enter some more value. That time it become a 3. Okay. And similarly, I'll enter my question. Okay. How many overall count? First question, only numbers count. Now I want to, it may be number, character, all the value if I want to count. Here except blank. Okay, these are my second question. You may ask a number of questions. Third one, I'll select blank question. Blank cell detail. Blank count. Basically count formula I'll use for. So in Excel, there's a count A is the basic formulas before sum. Okay, I want to overall count. Suppose include blank. Okay, my data available in this particular range. C column, row number 3 to 17. Here I ask the sum of the question. Out of this question, I need a result. For our identification, I highlight the respective cell. I need a result here. Okay, so first step, I go to this cell, H column, row number 5. Any formula we are going to use start with equal. Okay, we are starting with the basic Excel formulas and you have the ribbon shortcut key. This and all side by side will work on and we'll discuss that one. So you can see copy paste like all other shortcut key, ribbon shortcut key like multiple items you can see there. Now we keep the cursor here. I'll write a formula. I type COU. Yes, my question is numbers count. See the formula. I type equal COU. What is that one? First formula. It is displaying here COU. Start with formulas. So first formula count. What is the meaning? It is showing us tooltip. Count the number of cells in a range that contain numbers. Okay, this formula, it will count only the numbers in that particular range. Okay, press tab and I select this complete range using mouse only I selected, or you can type left arrow, keyboard only you can select and shift enter like that you can type now. Okay, I selected the range using mouse only I selected my data available C3 to C17. Okay, so in this range, once I give enter, I'll get answer 2. Why 2? You know the meaning of count formula, count the number of cells in a range. The range is C column row number 3 to C17. And that particular range, how many cells are numbers? See, I got a 2. 2 only the number, so I got answer 2. So this is my first formula. I click on formula bar. This one is, above one is ribbon. Below you can see the formula bar. I'll copy this formula and I give enter. So I'll come out of the cell, same row, J column. I give space bar and paste for your reference. So if you go to the cell, see the formula bar. You can see the formula bar, count formulas there. Same formula for your reference, I pasted right side. So later on point, you can write the same formula and right side the green cell. Or somewhere you can practice it the formula. I'll write second formula. My question is, I want all the count. It may be number, character, special character. I type again COU only. This time, second formula, count A. See the meaning, count the number of cells in a range that are not empty. Okay, the second formula is count A. Count, yeah, generally basic formulas only will start with today. So some formula is the addition. Before addition, we're discussing today is the count formula. Count, count A. Second formula is count A. Count A for all, count A. Okay, see the meaning, count the number of cells in a range that are not empty. If it is any empty cell, it will not count. So I go to arrow button only As of now, first one 100, second one 1, 2, 3, third one empty. It will not count. ABC is my third, and 4 is at symbol. 5 is again empty. 6, 7, again empty. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. See, 12 are values. You can see out of 15, 2, 3 are blank cells. I can see in this particular range. Once I select also, you can see the count is saying 12. Average, yes, we have some numbers. So average, I can see maximum and minimum, some like also there. I can see the status. I said the bottom right corner is the status one. Like I can see the status and I'm getting the result. My formula is count A. Count all. I given space bar and paste the same formula. You can see the difference between last time we used the formula count, this time count A. A for all. Okay, counter formula. Okay, I go to third formula, count blank. Yes, my question is blank cells count. In this particular range, as of now, 3 cells are empty. For our identification, I highlighted different color. Without color also, it will count only blank cells. That means no space also, nothing are there. It may be some error, anything. If it is something is there, that is value. My question is, I don't want anything. And that 3 orange color cell, I'm not type only. See the meaning count A. Count A is one of the formula that count everything. Now count blank, opposite of count A. Count the number of empty cell in specified range. Count A, it will count except blank. Here, count blank is the formula. It will count only blanks. Same range, like I write the formula, close bracket, enter. And I come to the same cell, copy the formula bar, enter. Then I'll go to wherever I want. I give space bar and paste. Last time, count A, count blank. These are the basic formula what we are discussing. Okay, see this next scenario. I want to including blanks. Like I assume these are the college seats. So the college seats too are paid. Okay, some are reasons are there. Some comments, anything is there. They may join sometimes later. Like any comments, I assume. So how many seats are still available? This same data I assume as real-time scenario. Suppose student seats are available. How many seats are available? If my question is, if this may be some real data. So if my question is how many seats are still available, count blank, I can say. Suppose in this same data, if my question is how many seats are filled, so I need to use the count A formula, except empty cells that count. Next question, total number of seats. It may fill, may not fill. I need an answer. Total, including blank, I want a count. Hope you understand. So I'll write a formula already there 12 plus this empty cells. So my answer 15. Yes, correct. But instead of referring H8 plus H11, I can write the both formula together. What is my H8 cell? Count A, correct? 12. So if I give close bracket, enter, I'll get answer 12. But I click on formula bar, first formula count A plus continuously I'm writing. See the formula bar. Now I'm writing count blank. Same range. Same two formula I'll use. Yes, both answers are same. Same answer you can use multiple method. See, I have this H8 plus, yeah, H8 plus H, yeah, H11 I can select. Otherwise, I'm writing the formula here. Okay. So both formula, instead of referring other cells, I can write the same formula once again. Yeah, these are the scenario like we can write as answer is same. Here also I use the H8 plus H11. But if I write whatever H8 formula plus H11 formula I'm writing, so together I'm getting here. The same scenario I may write in other formula equal rows. Okay, plural. Rows are one of the Excel formula. See the meaning. Any formula you can see the meaning and write a parameter, so you will get a result. See the meaning, return the number of rows in a reference or array. This formula will not consider it may be empty or value. How many rows I selected? As of now, I selected 15 rows, 3 to 17. So my answer is 50. So rows is other formula. Like I'll say in this scenario, best formula is rows. So in interviewer, if you are giving this file out of this kind of scenario, which is the best result like you want to take. So you can use the formula rows and other formulas like out of this result, which is the best solution you can give for that quick result also, like that you can get that answer. Instead of writing two different formula, referring two different formula, suppose here if it anything went wrong, my formula also will get wrong. Otherwise, I can write two formula. This will be big formula, it may complex formula. Here it is simple formula like one formula itself. You can get that respective expected answer. Based on your expected answer, you can write the multiple solution and you get that answer here into. These the basic questions like it is Excel formulas like we can see here. And later we'll do advanced formulas like here we go for introduction like this formulas here. If you have any question, you can stop me and we'll continue the topic again here. Okay, I come to this new sheet. A little bit zoom the screen. My next formula, if formula. Okay, see example C5 cell. Okay, in this particular cell, I enter the number 5. Okay, suppose my question, I'm in new sheet, same file, second sheet. Control function page up will go to previous sheet. Control function page down, it will be next sheet. Here I'm writing one formula. Okay, my question is if formula. Yeah, our next form topic is if condition. Okay, my question using if condition, I want to answer. So the cell C5. So my question is it cell C column row number 5 is 5 or not? This is my question. Okay, we need to write the if formula. If formula is our next topic. So I want to check this cell is 5 or not. That is my question. Okay, I'll write the answer wherever you want result. I'll write the formula if. Okay, see the meaning. If is other formula. I'll say the if is the basic formula and it's a advanced formula, powerful formula, like I can say. See the meaning. Check whether a condition is met. If condition met, it will return one value if true and another value if false. Yes, as of now it is true. C5 cell is 5. Later I may change in cell C5. That time it will return another value. So I press tab, the formula got selected. Keyboard I press left arrow. I select the cell C5 equal. See the if formula contain three parameter. Below it get highlighted, right? See this is logical test. Logical test is it should return basically true or false. I'm checking equal 5. C5 cell is equal 5. Yes. As of now, yes. I may change the value in cell C5. Okay. That time may false. As of if suppose true, what I want answer? I want answer 5. Otherwise, I'll say not 5. Close bracket, enter. As of now, my answer is 5. We got the answer 5. And suppose if I change the value, my answer is not a 5. It may be number, character, anything. My result is not 5. When I type 5, once I give enter, I can see this cell also. Now F5. It will calculate and return the answer here. Okay, this is a basic formula like it is. The same answer I may write like another scenario also. So what is the question? If this cell is 5, correct? I can say not equal, less than greater than symbol is not equal 5. So I want answer as not 5. Otherwise, I'll say if it is not equal to 5 mean equal 5 only. So reverse order. My answer is same, but last time or we given equal. C5 cell is suppose equal C5. So second part become a first part. So in the cell equal 5, my answer FIV, otherwise not 5. Here we have the formula not equal to 5. No, it is equal. So condition false. This logical test, it is written basically true or false, right? So this is my logical test. Is it not equal to 5? No, it's equal to 5. So it will go to false part. My answer is 5. Suppose whenever equal, is it not equal? No condition. As of now, 5 only. Is it not equal? No, it is actually equal. So it will go else part. I'll get answer 5. Try like multiple scenario. As of now, we're getting the respective answer and see the result. Okay. Before writing the other formula, I'll say some of the shortcut key. Control D. Control D is nothing but copy down, and Control R for R is the other shortcut key, copy right. I hope you know basic formulas like Control C, Control V and all. Suppose if I have ABC, okay, I given enter, my cursor J column, row number 6. Control D mean copy down, down first letter D. Whatever top is there, it will copy down. Okay, if suppose my cursor is right side, what is left side is there that it going to copy right if you are using Control R. Control key keep on press letter R one time. Whatever left side that value it is copied towards right. And if I select a range, okay, here I may write XYZ or 100. My first cell, what is that 100? If I give Control R, whatever left side is there, ABC 100, it will going to copy right. Control R. And whenever I give Control D, ABC is going to overwrite what is the top one. 100 it going to copy down. So first cell, suppose XYZ, Control D, it will copy down. So similarly, if my cursor, if I keep it right side, what is left side is there? XYZ. Control R, XYZ is copying right. Okay, here if I say test, yeah, if I'm selected, including that cell. I'm not selected now. Only Control D, it will copy down. I'll go back to the cell. First step I select. Okay, I select this complete range. Then Control D, it will copy down. If I give Control R, test will copy to J value, copy to K column and L column. Yes, my formula it's copying towards right and down. Okay, so these are the scenario using shortcut key. Our topic is if condition. So that data only I want to analyze here. I'll go to somewhere L column or somewhere into. Yeah, I deleted this entire column. Here I'll say some marks. I want a result. Okay, enter. Here, these are my heading. Okay, heading just I type now marks and result. It may be student ID, name, mark, like multiple column. As of now, basic, I'll select only two column. My K2, I'll write some real time, I'll write a real number. These are ran between sample number. See, ran between is one of the Excel formula. See the meaning. Return a random number between the number you specify. So I need to specify which is minimum, maximum. I press tab. See, minimum I'll say 1, maximum 100. These are system choice, probability. Okay, you ran between is one of the Excel formula. I need to give minimum, maximum, two parameter. Minimum maybe 1 or minimum only 1000, maximum 10,000. Like any range between if you give, and once I give enter, now it is 33. And the same formula I drag till some number of rows. So here I have the some sample number and I can see that 96 like numbers are there, right? But see the formula bar ran between are there. What will happen? The number will keep on change. But if condition, no problem. If the values randomly it is changing, my result also will change accordingly. But I hope you all of you understand this if condition. Basically, the if condition or my logical test suppose true, it should return one answer. Anything if you type, what will happen in my k column, whatever number is there, randomly it's going to change. But always 1 to 100. If you don't want to change, you need to remove the formula. See the formula bar, I can see the formula also. First step, I should select the range. Step 2, copy. Step 3, Alt E, you will get this window. Yes, letter yes, Alt E, yes, you will get this window. V for values. Okay, see one by one, Alt E. First step I selected, second step I should copy. Already copied, so I can remove formulas. E, S, V. V for values. Okay, I'll cancel it now. I'll remove formula later. I'm writing if condition. Okay, you know if condition. Result, yes, I can use the if condition only. I press tab, left arrow. K2 equal or less than, right? Less than 35. So I'll say answer double quotes fail. Otherwise, double quotes pass. Close the bracket, enter. I got answer here. I selected till this many cells, Control D. So all the 12 numbers keep on changing. No problem, result also changing. Suppose I don't want to change. Remove formulas. You need to follow this below steps. Step 1. What will happen if I type something, immediately it will keep on change the number. See here, right? So I don't want to change. First step, select the data. My question, you understand here to remove the formulas. Okay, in this column L also we have formula. This is if condition. If condition not changing. Column K in real time scenario you will get the real numbers. But now I'm using some random numbers. So these are sample purpose I'm using this number. Okay, here we select the data. Okay, second step copy. Copy all of new Control C and next step Alt one by one. Alt E S V. Okay, V for values. Enter and escape. Okay, these 5 steps you need to do to remove the formula. I'll follow the same steps. Step 1, select the data. Data is available in this particular range. Second step, what I need to do? Copy. Third step, Alt, leave the Alt one by one, not together. E for edit, S for special. Here you can see third option is value. So see, select a value. Here many options are there. As of now, we are doing basic steps. Remove formula. See the formula bar. I can see that 71, 39. See the formula bar. There is no rand between. And right side, I can see there's a result. Hope you all of you clear on this if condition formulas. See the formula bar. K2 is less than 35. My answer is 5. Otherwise, my answer is pass. Come to the same thing. I want the same result. Control R I given. Okay, enter. So I want to answer reverse order also. Okay, what I can say, if the same cell last time less than 35, here greater than 34, not a 35 because 34 only up to 34 fail. If it is greater than 34, 35 also it should be pass. Is it greater than 71 is greater than 34? Yes. So your answer should be pass. Otherwise, answer should be fail. Once I give enter, generally enter, it will go, cursor go to next cell. Whereas my cursor is there, M2. Okay, I give control enter. What will happen? My cursor still remains the same cell. You can come down and again go back. That also you can do. These are the basic formulas like I'm saying here. Yeah, my L column and M column. Answer is same. But one time I given less than 35 and this time I'm giving greater than 34. But result also it should interchange. Last time fail will be first part. Now pass will be first part because condition is true. True become a first part.
Sir, if it is a 35, what will be the answer?
35. Yeah, 35 is
Exactly
pass.
35. Okay.
Yeah, because I given greater than 34. Yeah.
Okay.
Unless,
Got it, sir.
yeah, yes. Less than case, I given less than 35. Okay. Or you can give the condition greater than or equal 35. Equal symbol also I can give continuously. Here only I'll edit that formula also. Equal 35. Again, same answer. I'll copy the formula. You can do it. Which is the best formula for your case, you can use it. Cross verify the result. If it is correct, then we'll continue. Okay, here we have this if condition. If condition itself, suppose my condition pass fail. As of now, less than 0 to 34, less than 35. Answer is fail. 35 to 100. Answer pass. Only two condition as of now it is there. But suppose I have pass, fail, first class, distinction, like all the condition. 35 to 59. 60 is next grade. Okay, here I want a pass, correct. And next is 60 to 74. I'll say first class. Okay, if it is greater than 74, my answer should be distinction. Yeah, these are my next scenario. Till now, we done the one condition. So we got a result also. These are class one. Yeah, class if I want, I'll write again same if formula. And I selected K2. K2 less than 35. K2 is less than 35. As of now, no. Suppose yes, my answer should be fail. This is the first condition. Otherwise, I said last time directly pass. Here I am saying again if condition. Okay, see the logical test. My logical test is true. My answer fail. Otherwise, I'll write again if. This called nested if. Formula inside formula, what if you are using? That's called nested if condition. Okay, I'm selecting same cell. Again less than 60. Less than 60 mean up to 59. So my answer should be pass. And third if condition. Selecting same cell K2 less than 75. Less than 75 mean, so if first condition suppose not true, then it will come to second condition. Second condition also suppose not true, it will go to third if condition. Third condition, if suppose true, my answer first class. If this all three if condition not true, I can say directly distinction. If you are checking also less than or equal to 100, like if you are giving condition, that time also it should be written same answer. And I have three if condition. So I should give this equivalent. See, it get highlighting also. And see, this is a very first if condition, like all the if condition equivalent answer I will get it here. Yes, the first number is exactly 35. So respective answer I'm getting here. First, I'll select this range and Control D. Yeah, you can see the same formula I copied and pasted into Will. Yeah, these are our nested if condition. This all the condition based on that it's written a respective answers here. These are the multiple if condition. So respective answer we are getting here. Till now we done the first sheet is count, count A, count blank. Yeah. And second sheet, mainly we are working if conditions. Yeah. If condition true, it will do one action. If it is not true, it will do the other actions. Okay, like multiple scenario we are doing here. Oh, you may use the same kind of scenario in real time scenario. Like whenever it is true, it want to do some action. Like all other conditions, you can try it off here. Okay. So I'll write a if condition till here. These are the scenario. If condition only, I'll write some more scenario like rank and rating. Rank wise, I'll say one is top rank, second top rank, third, five rank I am taking. Rating wise, five is top rating, four, three, two, one. Okay, I want to convert if I have the value as rank, I want to convert as rating. So these are the my question here. Okay, I'll copy this same like data right side. Okay, answer I need a here multiple if condition. Okay, the condition suppose true, I need one answer. Here, as of now, fixed five values are there. Okay, I want some random values. Okay, I'll delete this number. I write a formula ran bit. Yes, ran between. My rank value if I have, my rank value I'm converting as rating. This numbers always between 1 to 5. Close bracket, enter, and copy that. These are my question. I want to convert my result I want. Whenever my question is rank value, I want answer is rating. Hope you understand the question. So my number is, I may say 1. So my result should be 5. If I say my number is 2, my result should be 4. Like 3 mean 3 only. Whenever my question is 2, my answer should be 4. Reverse order. So in this case, I'll write the formula where I want answer. I'll write a formula here. Same if condition. This time equal. Okay, last time we given the condition is less than. But here I have 5 condition. Your logical test you need to create accordingly. So I'll say if suppose this cell is 1. What you want to answer 5. So these are numbers. No need a double quotes again. Number mean. If suppose it's contains some text, that time you need to use if condition. Comma, I'll select the second cell. Here again E2. Whenever first condition 1, my result is 5. Same E2, suppose 2. My answer should be 4. Yeah, my third if condition, open bracket, same cell, equal 3, comma. I'll continue the other formula, equal if, same formula I'll go for here. So what is the next condition? First time 1, result is 5. Second time 2, result is 4. So now 3 mean, yeah, 3. If suppose 3 mean my answer also 3. Otherwise, I need to check the again. So if suppose 4, my result should be 2. And last condition, actually the if condition not required. If this above 4 values are not true, I can check default is close bracket only. Yes, my numbers are 2. Yes, so my answer is reverse that one, it's a 4. I'm manually changing. So yes, quantity if it is 1, my result is 5. Okay, I drag this formula to this complete range. You can try like this the multiple if conditions. Yes, same like constraints. I want to another scenario. Okay, so till here, hope you clear this scenario. I'll write one more scenario if condition only. So rating only, rating related. Excellent. Okay, this may be four condition or five condition. You can say okay and good and very good. Reverse that one, right? And I want excellent. Basically, these are my question. I want a result here. If my data is suppose, if last time we given number, here I want a result. Okay, for this case. Okay, first of all, we need a some question, right? The question, then you can write if condition. The question purpose, you know question out of this five value. Randomly, it need to pick any one value out of this four value. I'll write a formula, choose. Choose is one of the Excel basic formula. See the meaning, choosing a value or action. Now it's going to choose a value only to perform from the list of value. See, I press tab, index number. Index number, I'll say E2. What is E2 cell? 1, right? 1 mean, see, choose is one of the Excel formula. It's going to choose based on index number. Index number, I said 1, comma, my values. I need to give values are first value, excellent. Double quotes, comma. I no need to refer. If you refer also, you can write, but without referring, you write now. Very good. This is the second condition. Third condition is double quotes, good. And next value, double quotes. It's a text, so I given double quotes. See, choose is one of the Excel formula. Which value? See, here I have value 1, value 2, value 3, value 4. You can split the formula like this. Any complex formula, if you are working for your understanding, you can split step by step. So here I have E2. What is E2? 1. 1 mean excellent should be my answer. Suppose E2 cell is 2. Second value it will be. Okay, yes. If I drag the formula, here I have random numbers like that answer I'm getting. Okay, there is no 5. Here I'll say 5 also. Okay, fifth value is not there, right? I'll enter some more value. Bad. Double quotes bad. Oh, or average. Okay, so I can see all 5 value. I have one more condition. These are my question, right? Average. Here I'll say average. Yeah. Fifth condition. Yeah, I have number 1 to 5. Question also 1 to 5. You try yourself this answer today. Tomorrow we'll see this answer. Question purpose, you can use this formula. I can share the file in WhatsApp group. Try like this formulas today. I'll show some more formula. If condition are basic formulas, I want to start with basic formulas today. So uncount, count A, count blank, like that formula we are using. First the basic class like we discussing of today's part. Okay, these files I'll share in WhatsApp group and some more basic formula we need to do. Yeah. In WhatsApp group, I shared the file. Today is the first class. We'll see the basic formulas only. Later, we'll go for little advanced formula and all. I'll go to new sheet. Okay, before going new sheet, some text related basic formula we'll discuss. So before that, till here, hope you all of you clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'll go to the new sheet. We'll continue the topic here. Okay, so we have the data here. Okay, so okay, I'm in new sheet, like simple basic formulas, text related formulas, left, right, mid. Okay, some search, find and search. Suppose if I have some sample data, sample test data. Okay. So I want to answer formula is left. Left is one of the Excel formula. It returns specific, see the meaning. Meaning is return specific number of character from starting of the text string. So I'll refer the cell F2. Okay, F column row number 2. Here I'm referring the cell in this cell starting onwards how many letter I mention. If I mention 3, SAM should be my answer. If I mention 6, first 6 letters should be my answer. Okay, yes, these are my result. And similarly, right formula I want, mid formula, find formula, like I can see this other formulas again here. Yes, volume. Yes, so yeah, we have right formula. Next one. So right will reverse of left, opposite. So it will return the number of character. I mentioned 4 letter, last 4 letter. Yes, these are name itself you can see. So my data available F2 cell. Number of character 4. I got answer data. So how many letter you want? If I say 388, last 3 letter will be my answer. Here, starting onwards, how many letters are there? That should be my answer here. So here, this is my sample data. Using this data, we are analyzing here. I'll go to write a formula mid. Okay, before mid formula, also left only. Left is the formula, starting of the letter. See the parameter. Always follow the parameter. I select text and number of character. Last time I given 6. It may be 3 or 10 like I can give. And also it mention number of parameter or two parameter text comma number of character. Number of character it mentioned in square bracket. So if you type it get highlighted, I'm not type comma. As of now, if I give default value one letter, first one letter. Similarly, right also in F2 cell, last one letter should be my answer. These are optional parameter. If required, we are using. If I have not mentioned, system will consider default as one value. Here I'll write the other formula, mid formula. Mid is the middle of the text string, given starting number of position and length. Okay, here nothing are optional parameter. See, there is three parameter. Where is my text? F2 cell. I can refer F2 or double quotes inside. I can type the cell. And starting position. Here we need to count where is middle is there. Sample is 6 letter, space is 7, 8th letter onwards. How many letter I want? 4 letter. We need to count and say number of, yeah, where is middle starting and how many letter from 8th letter onwards, how many letters should be my answer. And close bracket in my D F8, F2 cell, 8th letter onwards, 4 letter. Yes, my test is my result. And find, okay, find and search. Before that, I'll say the formula len. Len is total number of character, open bracket, see the meaning. Return number of character from a whichever data I'm selecting. Suppose I'm selecting C9. C9 is 3 letter. Yeah, len. So my answer is 3. I can refer any formula, any other cell also. It will return total number of character. I write again len EF2. Yes, my F2 cell 16 character are there. We can check it manually also. Sample is 6 letter, test is 4 letter, 10 letter plus 4, 14, 2 space. Space also in consider one character. My answer is 16. And now I'll come to find. Find is generally control F. I'll find something. Okay, len. So my answer, where is my cursor is there, it will go to that. Otherwise, that is find. But now I'm writing formula find. Find is one of the Excel formula. This formula, what it will do, I'm going to find some text starting position from one text within another text. Find is case sensitive. See, I'm first parameter find text. What I am searching, letter M. Where I am searching in F2 cell. And one more parameter is there, optional parameter. As of now, I will not use. Later I'll use. See, if I give enter, M in cell F2, which position is there? First is there? No. Second is there? No. Third is there. So my answer is 3. If it is many time is there, where is first time M? That is my answer. The letter M. Instead of referring letter M, I can refer this cell also. Here I may search M. I'll write find. Yeah, last time I type double quotes M. Here I'm referring H12 because later in the orange color cell, I'll change the value. It should pick the value. So close bracket, enter. I got answer here 3. Suppose if I say letter A. A is many time are there. First time where is letter A? It is second position. Letter P, it is their fourth position. I'll get a respective answer. These are my first time answer. Suppose I want a second time. This time I need to use the optional parameter. And third time. Fifth time. If first time letter A, it is 4. Okay, I may search the letter E also many time are there. So I may search it this kind of scenario here. Okay, before writing the second time answer, I'll go to new sheet. Here, I'll create one simple table like EMP ID and name or name EMP name. ID name also. Okay. I'm in new sheet. Here I enter the two heading. I'm entering some value 1001, 1002. Two number I'm entering. I select both the number and go to this corner. I drag the cell. So 1001 to 1010 I have name 1 to name 10. Some of the table like I'm creating. So some sample data it is. Okay, so in this range, I'm going to write a formula equal A1. What will happen if I give enter? I can see A1 cell value. I'm not write any formula. See, my formula is A1 cell. Okay, here if I change anything, if I write the student ID, here also it's going to change. I'm directly referring the cell. My answer is that cell value I'm getting. But if I selected this particular range, I give control D, copy down, control R, copyright. I given the formula A1, right? But see that below it is A2. And when I go to next one, it is A3. And similarly, if I go right side, I give the formula A1, but right side it is B1. My reference also it is going to change. Suppose if I don't want to change, I can use the dollar sign function F4. Okay, so I'll write a formula equal A1, but before give enter, function F4. Function F4 is shortcut key. What happened? A is column, one is row. A before one dollar sign is there. You can type also equal dollar A dollar one. Like that you can type. What will happen if I drag the formula? First time answer is same. But when I drag the formula some contained range, it will not change. Always it is A1 cell, A1 cell. My reference, if I give the dollar sign, my reference, if I drag 1000 rows also, it will not change. That is the advantage of this dollar sign. Okay, here some other method also there. This method, the reference changing method is called relative reference. Okay, here no dollar sign, no F4. F4 is the shortcut key, no F4 key. Once before give enter, you need to give F4 here. This is method is called absolute reference. Okay, the formula is one time you need to give function F4. F4 key mean with the function key. F1 key your last row before next. After control key you will get the F1 key. That key you keep on press and very first line help window. F1 is help window. There F4 key you need to press. So first one here no dollar sign. This is a regular formula. The reference will change. But if I don't want to change, I refer function F4. This method I'm going to use in my formula. Okay, first formula, I'm not using any function F4. If I drag, what will happen? See, my formula is H12. If I drag, H12 become a I12. If I copy right, I don't want to change. Always I need to refer this orange color cell. So that is the reason I'm going to write a formula, same find formula. What I am searching H12, function F4. Why I am giving function F4? I'm going to copy third time, fourth time, fifth time. Always it should refer same H12 only. It should not change. Comma, where we are searching F2. F2 also should not change because always I am searching F2 cell. This time I'm using next parameter, optional parameter. If I give close bracket enter, my answer first time where is letter E is there. Here, first parameter, find text. What I am searching. This orange color cell, H12. Second parameter, F12, where I am searching. third parameter from starting position. Earlier answer I know it is J12. J12 is 6 plus 1. Plus 1 is next letter. Next letter is E. No. Next letter is 7. Eighth letter is E. No. Ninth letter is E. Yes. So my answer is 9. If I drag it, see, I don't have third time, so I'm not getting answer. If I search as letter A, it is there 3 times. So it is I'm getting answer here. First time answer plus 1. J12 plus 1. J12, I'm not given dollar sign. If I copy, see the formula bar, I can see K12 plus 1. K12 is already 14. 14 plus 1, 15th letter is letter A. No. 16th letter, yes. So my answer is 16. Here I'm not using third parameter. So it by default it is first time, whereas the answer is there, it's I'm getting. Hope you clear on this scenario. Next scenario, search formula. Search is one of the Excel formulas, same result, same parameter, same meaning. It's going to search the position. But one difference, it's not a case sensitive. That means suppose if I search capital M, it will not worry about capital M or small m, I'll get answer. But in find formula, if suppose if I find a capital M is not there. So I'll get a value, hash value, error. Because find is case sensitive, search is not a case sensitive. Same 3 parameter and I'll get answer here. I'll write the same like here, but using search. What I'm searching this cell, H12, where I'm searching F12. Sorry, F2, close bracket. My answer, letter A in F2 cell, where is there? Second position. I can write capital or small. My formulas are not case sensitive. Automatically, it will convert to capital letter. See the formula bar. Okay. And next time answer, same like search formula. What I'm searching, H12, function F4 one time. And where I'm searching, F2, function F4 one time. Comma, earlier answer, J15 plus 1. This logic only we use earlier also. Yes, we got answer. If I drag it, I got answer here. If I search capital S, it is saying only one time capital S is there. Here I have capital S, 10th letter is small letter S. So if I search small s, I'll get answer here 10. Yeah, whatever letter I'm searching, it return respective position. The respective answer we are getting. These are the find and search, left, right, basic text related formulas. Later we'll do advanced method. Before that, I want to go one more topic today. Suppose I have the name using text related topic only. Text related data if I have. Okay, I have this full name. My expected answer only prefix or only name and first name, last name. Okay, so see, I enter some of the names here. Randomly name Miss. Example purpose, I give 3 name, first prefix and first name. Randomly some names I'm giving. This is. So here I enter some of the name. In this names, I want a first name, last name, prefix like that answer. This is my expected answer. In this case, what is the formula we used? Left, right, mid formula like that case using I need answer. Okay, for this Yeah, we have the scenario prefix only I want. So I can use left formula. First two letter now, but it is not always two. Next time four, three, like it will going to change. For that case, I'll write a formula, find formula. You know the find formula. What it will do, it will find the position, right? So here, what I am searching, space I am searching. Last time we searched letter A and something, where I am searching this cell. It's saying three. I don't want three letter. I'll say three instead of two instead of same find formula. So you know find formula, what I am searching, where I am searching. So that formula, I'll delete the two because here four name, no problem. Real time you may get 100 names or 1,000 names. 100 time you no need to write dynamically need to write that case. I'll write a formula find left of G5. See the formula bar. What I'm searching space, comma where I'm searching same G4 G5 cell. So this find formula answer is 3. We needed 2 only. So I give -1. One more close bracket. See the first parameter. Where is the text? In G5. And second parameter number of character. I use find formula. Find formula answer is 3 -1. My answer is 2. If I drag next time 5 -1. Space is fifth position -1. This is the formula. This is our formula now. In cell G5, where space is there, space before whatever that is my prefix. And I want a remaining name, except prefix, I want a name. For this case, I'll write a formula, write formula. Okay. Write formula, before write formula, what I can do, the space are there, right? Total number of character, len. You know, len is the formula, total number of character. Here 12 letters, somewhere 12, 14, 15, like I have data. I'll use the formula total number of character. Out of there, first three letter I'm excluding. Remaining nine letter I want to from right side. So that logic I'll go to write here. So hope you understand this formula is len, normal total number of character. Here I'm using normal difference, subtraction, total number of character. I'm excluding first space, including space. First three letter I'm reducing. Nine letter should be my answer. Here I'll write a right formula. You know right formula, return number of character from end of the text string. Yes, my data available in G5. So first parameter I selected G5. Number of character 9 should be my answer. How I got 9? Len minus find formula. Len is, I'll write the same formula. So this len formula answer is 12 minus my find formula answer. Return the position. First space, where is that? Third letter. Okay. And one more close bracket. So len formula answer is 12 minus find formula answer is 3. 12 minus 3, 9. My G5 right side onwards, 9 letter should be my answer. Kumar is 5, Ram is 3, 8, space 1. Totally 9 letter I'm getting. Yes, this is my expected answer. This logic I'm using, I'll copy the formula. Yes, except the first name, except the prefix, I got answer here. You may get the same answer, some other scenario also, some other logic you need to create. Before going the next topic, yeah, first name, last name, this part you all of you clear. The first name, last name, what I'll do, I'll copy the data. See here my formula, I'm not using any dollar sign. I give control C. I come to right side, control V. See, this is my first name. And here I have my last name. How I got? Same thing I given control C, control V. See the formula bar. I5. In I5, Last time space before whatever there, right? Same formula, earlier G5, now it is I5. That only the difference. In I5, where is space is there? 4. So the find formula answer is 4. 4 minus 1, 3. So left side on 3 letter I got it. And same logic. Here total number of character 9 letter. Whereas space is there fourth letter. 9 minus 4. See the formula bar. Len formula answer is total number of character. In I5, last time it is G5. We are not using dollar sign. When I copy right, my reference will change. So yes, same logic it is work out here. Space bar is the fourth letter. Nine number of character, 4 letter if I remove, remaining 5 letters should be my answer. Same logic, it will getting the same answer here in. Try like this scenario, some other method also. So I shared the sum of the file. Try like today and remaining will continue tomorrow's class. Yeah. Before wind up today's part, till here we'll wind up today. If you have any question, any doubts that we'll discuss here and we'll continue remaining topic tomorrow.